Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Pixel 8 Pro from Google with a broken display and a very old battery, so we'll have to replace both of them. So we have here a Pixel 8 Pro that is in need of a new screen and a new battery, and the customer brought their own battery to be installed on this device, so that's gonna be okay for us. We'll provide the display, and to do that we need to remove the display first. So the Google Pixel 8 Pro opens from the front. So all we need to do here is to shimmy our way inside, make some gaps with our very thin pry tools and some injection of alcohol. So to soften the adhesive, we'll also spray some if we have a bigger gap, and we'll slice through the adhesive here. So the device has not been opened before, and through years of use, the display not cracked. You can see there it's not cracked. It's given up, it's damaged, and the battery is also getting weaker. So how to know if you need a new battery is you can feel it. More charging times, it's quick to discharge the battery, you're tethered to the wall, you use your power bank more often. And for a Pixel 8 Pro, it's very unusual indeed. So now we have opened the device, we can now detach the old display and put it to the side. And here we are gonna make the display at a 90-degree angle to be able to detach the display connector. One display connector, and it's now gone. We need to remove some screws. Now we are going to focus our attention to the extraction of the old battery. And we don't do this a lot in the shop because mostly we do screen replacement, but when we perform a battery replacement, a lot of things we have to consider, including the safety, because displays don't explode, but batteries can catch on fire and explode, so it's gonna be a safety concern. And if you're not careful in removing batteries and replacing it with a brand new part, you'll be risking someone who's gonna use the phone. So right now we're gonna peel this one off. We're not gonna detach anything, we'll just expose the battery. Here's the battery. And the battery is held on by a very strong adhesive, so we have to be very careful to remove that. Now we have a pry tool. We'll make a gap. We won't have to yank it out, because if you bend the battery too much and it can tear itself apart, it can catch on fire or explode on you. So alcohol is still good because it's good for electronics. One, because the device is already turned off, and the alcohol in contact with air or any other surface, it just evaporates right away. So it's a safe substance for removing adhesive stick parts. So this is the battery that the customer brought in. We won't be putting a warranty on this. The warranty will fall on IFIXIT, who is the supplier of this battery replacement for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Although we will put some warranty on the installation only. We'll remove the old adhesive residue using this mini drill. If you use adhesive, it will also attract more adhesive, so this is the technique that we used here in the shop. Now we have a brand new battery from IFIXIT, very reputable supplier of electronic parts. So I think this is good to go. Now we are going to install the cover for the battery and the retaining clip for the charging port at the bottom. We're gonna put the screws on the charging port connector, and then we'll close this one up. And as we reassemble everything, we are going to clean up the frame so that when we install a new display, it will adhere well with our new liquid adhesive. And first, we're gonna clean off the old residue from the old adhesive. So David is very particular. We don't let our clients have a subpar smartphone just because we skip the cleaning part and the prep part. So we'll test the display now and the battery as well together. So we'll turn this smartphone on, and there you go. I think this is already booting up. You see the Google logo. And now we have the smartphone already turned on, and I think it's good to go. We'll do some resetting, which is not really anymore related to the replacement of the display and the battery, but here we are. We won't be able to show you the home page because we don't have the passcode for this phone, but we can see that the display is gorgeous and working. The battery is also holding a charge, no overheating, so that's a good sign. The battery is stable with all the electronics around it. So put our liquid adhesive, reattach the display, and properly install the display now, and we are done. So we'll put a freebie for the customer. This is a tempered glass for the Pixel 8 Pro, and hopefully it will prevent any damage to the display, especially cracks. Not really guarantee, but it can minimize the impact. So there you go. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Recommend us to a friend. And you can subscribe to our Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.